Good morning. Well, it's actually just gone afternoon here, sorry. But I'm just back from the Lee model show where I had a layout. It's a classic model railway exhibition. And it's the same weekend was Elsecar, which is for garden railways. And as you can see, I have an interest in garden railways. And I thought I wouldn't see anything to do with garden railways there. However, I did manage to make a purchase from one stand of some LGB size locomotive and stuff. I'll show you that in a moment. But there was an SM32 layout there, a lovely one, with at least half a dozen live steam locos and a few battery locos and stock running round. So there's a bit of garden railway interest on this indoor exhibition in a sports hall in Lee, and there'll be a separate video for those of you interested in 00, N gauge, 009. Nothing in O gauge, but there was an SM32. I didn't take too many pictures of that one or videos. You'll find videos of this particular layout elsewhere, but I'll show you what I got. I'll show you what I bought there. What caught my eye was this Bachmann train set that's unboxed in a bag here. And then in the end, I also bought the two LGB coaches. And as you can see, second hand, they've had some modifications, priced at £30 and £35. I thought, you know what, that's enough of a bargain. You don't need to worry too much about the condition of them. It's had weathering, lights added, plasticine or clay model figures put into it. In the top one, prop may not get it out this video, and the bottom one appears to be fairly stock. But let me get this out of the bag and show you. So this is what I bought. It's the diesel BP goods set. Now apparently this is also known as a Lil Critter, and is available in American liveries as an American shunting loco. But here we have it in BP livery. It's Bachmann made in China with knuckle couplers. There wasn't any LGB track to test it on, so it's not been tested. I bought it from somebody who I trust. I know where they live, as it were. But and he had tested it using some crocodile clips against the wheels. It ran okay, and that was enough for me. He said sold, tested, but without box or anything. Anyway, I haven't seen this before, and I've not found out much about it on the internet. Probably find out loads after I've done this video. But this is it. I've just cleaned the tracks. I've had an LGB stains running around the track. And which way is it polarized? There's a little switch on the side, motor off on. Don't know what that's about. Well, presumably as a shunting loco, which is DC, having a motor off on switch allows you to park it on some live track. But there is power to the track just now. It's not moving. Maybe I should not try and treat me trying to get it going, but wait. I don't think it's been run for a while. It's a little bit sluggish, but there it is. I'm very happy with it so far. The tracks aren't the cleanest, and for a little train set, he had a ticket of £60 on it, which is a good price for me. I got a discount by buying well, all of the items he had available. So just a lovely find. I quite like that. Get away with that almost being British outline, although the tankers aren't found in the UK and that loco isn't found in the UK as far as I know. But it runs around my garden line. And it's now freeing up a little bit. running better. There we go. A little bit of garden scale interest from the Lee Model Railway Show. If you want to know anything else about the Lee Show, the final thing to say is the money from the sale of this is going towards a tram exhibition in Blackpool in the Solarium Cafe at South Shore in the spring, in April. So if you're interested in trams, that would be a great thing to get to Blackpool, to the South Shore Solarium Cafe for a tram exhibition layout, while I enjoy watching this run round and have a cup of tea or coffee with my neighbour. We can have that running round and let it just get a little bit of running on this September day. Oh, it's still recording. It will run at shunter speeds. It is quite a good runner. That fast running you've seen in the earlier parts of the video was just because this clearly hasn't run for a while, and just trying to get it loosened up a bit, run in. But that will do for now. Thank you.